going to be graphing now log functions, and we can see here that it's defined by log base a of x, where both a and x are positive, and you'll see why that they need to be positive here in just a moment. So let's just go ahead and graph this guy, and we can kind of make some inferences from that. And so I'm going to be graphing, of course, from Desmos. Why would I do anything else? So we're going to be doing the log base 4 of x. All right, so let me just go ahead and copy this and then make a table here so we can kind of see our graph. We have our function, we have our graph over here, and then we also have our table. And maybe we'll do some more points, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 10. And the way that, the way that you would calculate these points, of course, is either if you're using a graphing calculator, or you can just do exponential form, right? So the way that you would get this guy right here is you would say 4 to the power of what equals 0. You would say, oh, okay, well, it's going to be 1 right there, and so forth. So like 2 to the power of 4 to the power of what is going to give us 1/2, and so forth. So you can tell that by this graph right here that this thing gets really, really close to the y-axis, which means that the line x equals 0 is an asymptote. And we can see right here that actually at 0 and -1, -2, and so forth, it's all undefined, right? Which is why also that our value of a, or our base, needs to be bigger than 1, or at least equal to it, right? And then so this is what our graph's going to look like here, right? We're going to talk about our domain being from 0 to positive infinity, our range being from negative infinity to positive infinity, right? Like all real numbers. So basically, when you're going to graph something like this, you're only going to be able to find just a few points really that are just going to make sense here. Like you're not going to be able to figure out these guys by hand. So that's why you're going to want to be able to choose points that will make sense, and also that you should know the shape of the graph as well.